What it do, what it do, what it do. Hey y'all, what's up? So I'm back with another tutorial, and it's Thursday, so y'all know that means it's time for a throwback. I'm gonna show you how I did this cute little pink eyeshadow glitter thing. I don't know what I was doing, but y'all stay tuned. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram at its.brigee. We're about to go ahead and get into it. So you see me with my C4 primer. I don't know why I decided I was trying something different. I decided to like apply it with a brush instead of my hands. I don't know. I just be trying different things. This was back in 2018, so I don't know. I still use my hands now. I think it did kind of help spread it a little better because this Sephora primer that I was using made my face feel real chalky, like milk of magnesia. You know what I'm saying? So now I'm gonna brush my eyebrows with my Anastasia Beverly Hills spoolie. It comes with the pomade. And I know I used to use the color Auburn. Like I said, I don't use it right now. I'm using my LA Girl Pro Concealer. When I get all these videos pushed out, I'm gonna go ahead and venture off and try a little something different, you know. But this Anastasia Beverly Hills did what it needed to do when it needed to do it, and this was 2018, so yeah. So yeah, I'm just going in, filling in these eyebrows. And then I'm gonna take the other end again and brush them on out so I can give you that natural look. And I'm going with my LA Girl Pro Concealer with like a flat brush, like a thin flat brush. And I'm gonna go ahead and start carving out the bottom of my eyebrows. Now, I use a concealer that is lighter than my actual concealer that I use to color correct because I want it to be like a highlight under my eyebrows, you know? So that's why it's a little lighter. And I take my time with this because, in my opinion, this is the most important part, your eyebrows. Like, your eyes are the focal point when you're having a conversation with someone. And you don't want your eyebrows looking crazy, right? So take your time on your eyebrows. This probably takes the longest out of all of the application process that I do on my face. Besides eyeshadow, depends on how intricate I get with my eyeshadow. But eyebrows are usually the thing that take the longest. Because I'm normally always going to do my eyebrows. I might not always do eyeshadow, but my eyebrows are always going to be on point. Especially if they not, threaded and they looking crazy. I'm filling them in, yeah. I'm filling them bad boys in. So now I'm going to go in with the same brush and just kind of blend it out a little bit so it's not as harsh. Go ahead and start blending it out so it blends with the rest of my skin color. And yeah, use your finger. Get in there. Use your fingers. Your fingers are a good applicator tool, honestly. I'm going to use my fingers a little bit more in this video. You'll see. So now I'm going to get a concealer Too Faced, and I'm going to use it on the areas that are darker to color correct. And this is a little closer to the color of my actual skin color as opposed to that LA Girl Pro Concealer that I put under my eyebrows. And while that's just sitting there, I did this a little different too. I'm going to go ahead and start carving out the top of my eyebrows with that same color. And you can see that it is a little darker than, and not as pasty as the color that I use under my eyebrows. Take y'all time with the eyebrows, okay? And remember, they sisters, not twins, so they don't got to look exactly the same, but get them as close as you can. But they're not going to be exactly the same. And now I'm going to spray my Urban Decay setting spray underneath. I'm going to spray my Urban Decay setting spray on my sponge. And I'm going to start just blending that on out. You see? Wetting up your sponge a little bit does help it apply a little better, especially because I had to sit on my face while I was carving out the top of my eyebrows because it will get really stiff. And then I'm going to go back around the top of my eyebrows and just try to get that little halo effect from around my eyebrows, you know. It's okay for the bottom a little bit, but not at the top. Definitely not at the top. Get as close as you can. Make sure you don't smudge your eyebrows because it's going to add time on to your application process. So just take your time. And now I'm just going to go back with my brush, the same little flat brush I used to apply it, and just blend it out some more. Like that, like that. And I'm going to spray some more of my setting spray on my sponge. And then I'm going to put my Maybelline Matte and Poreless directly on the sponge. And then I'm going to blend that on out. Blend it on out. Make sure you get on top of those eyelids. You want your whole face covered in foundation. And just tap, tap, tap all over your face until it's evenly blended out. And then if you send them edges, y'all gonna have to move that scarf out the way, off that forehead. Go ahead and move it off so you can blend into the hairline, because you do not want it to look like you got on a little mask, you know? You want it to look like your face, right? Right, yeah. And again, get as close to the top of those eyebrows as you can. You do not want that halo effect. And I'm still guilty of having a halo effect sometimes. I'm not perfect. I'm still human. But I'm trying to help y'all out. Yeah. Get close to that mirror. Make sure, y'all. Make sure. So now I'm going to go on with the same color that I used underneath my eyebrows, a lighter color. And here I am using my fingers again, my hands, just to like dab that on. And it just looks so good. It blends so well when you use your fingers. So once you get that blended out like that, then I'm going my Juvia's Place eyeshadow, and I'm gonna use this pink. Y'all look how pretty this pink is. Ooh, yeah. It bring out the pink in my, I don't know where I was going, but I wanted something that brought out the pink in my dress and everything. I wanted whatever color was in my dress, I was trying to put it on my eyes. And that's why I chose this pink. But this pink is so beautiful. It's like an airbrush look, you know? Real cute, real cute. So I blend it out really, really well. And then I just kind of go between eyes and just make sure it looks as even as possible. And then I'm going at the bottom with this little orange color. And that's exactly like how I want it. It's kind of like close to my skin color. So I just put the orange color down there. And blend it out. Make sure y'all subscribe. The little button over there on the right hand corner, bottom right corner of this video. It's purple. It says subscribe. Click it for me. Click it right now. Thank you. Comment, like, share. Thank you. Thank you. But this how I look up close. Y'all, like I said, I do these throwbacks because, and my Queen Lux Cosmetics, like, this eyeshadow is so fire. It's glittery. It's so pigmented. But anyway, I do these videos to show y'all the growth of BRigee. I don't know what I was doing with this eyeshadow, especially when I put this glitter. I just want to try this glitter. Look at it. Just one little swipe of my finger and it's on there. And it be on there, y'all. Like, I ain't need no glue or any kind of adhesive. It was on there. I just wanted to try that. I didn't know what I was doing. I don't know why I put that orange on there. But I want y'all to kind of get a close-up, kind of zoomed in a little bit. I don't know if y'all saw it jump, but I was trying to get a little closer. But look how easy it is put on, like, and that shit be on there. Like, I be needing to kind of scrub to get it off. And I don't need any adhesive. It's beautiful. I need to buy some more. I still use it to this day. I'm recording this right now in May 2022. I don't know. The whole look crazy, but the glitter worked. And now I'm going to go with my MAC customizable eyeshadow. And I'm just going to go on with this really, really light eyeshadow. Just put a little, is it glimmer? up there underneath my eyebrows, just so it could blend on out. That's why I say it really don't matter at the bottom of your eyebrow, because you usually use a highlighter shadow underneath your eyebrows, and it kind of conceals that lighter concealer that's under your eyes. So blend it out. I mean, it don't look too bad, but I don't know why I put that glitter on there. I just wanted to try it. Like, I got something new and I want to try it and show y'all, you know. So now I'm about to highlight again with that lighter concealer, my LA Girl Pro Concealer, under my eyes, bridge of my nose, Cupid's bow, chin, and my forehead. Then I'm going to blend it out with my beauty blender once again. Or sponge, you don't have to be beauty blender. But whatever sponge or whatever, just blend it out. Or brush. I like using brushes now, actually. I kind of alternate depending on how much time I have to get ready, which is usually not a lot. Anyway, whatever works for you. And blend it out really nicely. Tap, 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 tap. And now I'm going with my LA Girl Pro Concealer, but a little darker shade just to bring out those cheekbones, baby. And then we're just gonna tap it on into the skin. Now I use my LA Girl Pro Concealer on my forehead and my nose, like the sides of the bridge of my nose. But back then, I just used to use it on my cheek area. And I don't think I did the best job of blending this in either. Like, it's just a line on my face. Why I just got a line on my face? That's what I'm saying. I want y'all to see the growth. Laura Mercier gonna go in on all the places that I just applied that lighter concealer color. And I still use my Laura Mercier to this day. To this day. And then I'm going to my Master Precise. I forgot what it was called, but this is my Maybelline. I used to use this. I no longer use this. I think it got discontinued or something. But I do like the bridge of my nose and then my forehead. And then I go back over and use it like as a setter powder type thing for where I went over my cheeks. I get the tip of my nose and everything because my nose is fat, y'all. It's chunky. My nose is chunky. Now I'm going to go in. See, I'm putting it on my cheeks. And then on up, I really just go, what's it called? Outline my whole top of my face. I want it to blend in, and I make sure it kind of blend it into my hairline. So you see me pulling up my scarf just to get all of it. Get that forehead, girl. Yeah, I definitely could have blended in the LA Girl Pro Concealer on my cheeks a little better, but here we are. And this is my Maybelline eyeliner as well, I believe. I can't really remember, but usually whenever I'm putting on the eyeliner, I always just try to find one with a felted tip. And I've also found with trying to put this eyeliner on with this glitter, it kind of messes it up and dries it out. Not permanently before, that time. So now when I put this glitter on, I try not to put the glitter so close to my lash line if I know I'm putting on eyeliner. Because it kind of messes up and it prolongs the process. And I'm going to go on with an eyeliner on my bottom lash, just a darker color just to, bring out my eyes a little more. And then I'm going on my Telescope L'Oreal mascara, like that. And I guess the eyeshadow don't look too bad, but I just really want to try the glitter. And I'm going to go ahead and put it on my bottom lashes. Before lash extensions, I just had to make sure I got these in there really good. I used to put on multiple coats of mascara. Now I'm gonna take my little brush and I'm just gonna go down my nose. I think it was like the Huda Beauty brushes. And I'm taking my big brush and I'm just gonna dust all that Laura Mercier setting powder off. And it helps like blend everything in. Take your scarf off and just get in there, get it real good. Because if you have something left on there, it's gonna be flashback, and you do not want no flashback. And I'm going my NYX highlighter. It's like a rose gold color. I used to love this one. I need to get some more. It's like when I buy makeup, I just get stuck with that makeup and I just use it until it's depleted. But I definitely want to try some more stuff because I'm looking at this stuff and I still got a lot of this stuff. And it's like 3 years later. Well, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 4 years. It's like 4 years later almost. I think I shot this in August. No, I shot this in September of 2018. So I put that kind of like on the apples of my cheek, down the bridge of my nose. Let me see. I think I do my Cupid's bow and then my chin. And like I ain't even blend that in on my chin good, y'all. Oh gosh. I think it just like is a big like spot of product where I didn't blend it on my chin. But anyway, I go back with my Urban Decay Sense Spray and kind of fan it off. And now this is like a really, really glossy pink lip gloss that I bought. I don't like color on my lip unless it's red, like I said in earlier videos, like maybe Ruby Woo, but I do not like color on my lips. I'm okay with my Vaseline. I'm okay with $1, like a beauty store lip gloss. I don't have to have all this, but I was trying to be a little fancy, add a little razzle dazzle to the video, but I don't like it. But what do y'all think? Do y'all like how this look came together? Like, how y'all think I did compared to now, and then how y'all think I did? I think I did pretty okay. I think. But yeah, even putting this on, I could tell I was not feeling it. Look at my face. But here's the finished look, you guys. And I need to try to put on my cute big hoops. You know, finish the look, set it off, and be out. There I am. Looking down. Y'all see the glitter. Hope y'all like it. Yeah, but anyway, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, all that. Follow me on Instagram, its.brigee. And here's a little clip of me riding around the car with my makeup, and then here are a few pictures of me with my makeup. It look cute, But again, thank y'all so much for the support. Until next time, y'all. Bye.